Hello everyone, this is the CESP Explosion Proof LD Light Company, one of the biggest manufacturers in China. It's over 50 years experience. It's great for me to introduce to you our linear light explosion proof. It's better than traditional one. Let's go and introduce our linear light. You can see its appearance is very perfect, more than the traditional linear explosion proof. And we have two versions. We have American versions and European versions. American version is about 0.6 meter and 1.2 meter. European version is about 0.3, 0.6 and 0.9 and 1.2 meter. About his descriptions, as you can see, PC length is about 4D. Impact, no UV, no designs, retardant feature made of 1-1250Z100 material. And AA6063 body parts plus ADC12 side cover. Sans Happy Sky, driver senseless, fastness, silicone, and rubber gasket. The regular lamp are with gray color. There are options about the yellow color. The lamp have with special treatment and can meet corrosion proof the requirement of the marine field. That is what we make them with. About the optical parameters, regular voltage input 100 minus 277 VAC and 125 minus 135 Lm/1, 110 degree RA over 70 IP66 with milky lens. The datasheet is shown in the picture. About the technical part, it's 5 years warranty for the whole lamp. There is cable, such as you can see here, entry option, 1 or more, 2. With a fixed diameter inside for easy wearing, we offer certified glands for the seal of the lamps with stainless name plates. Also, his Amazon part, quote competitive offer for mass goods with ATEX Zone 1 and 21, IECEx and UL844 Class 1, Division 2, Groups A, B, C, D certificates. We also work with some brands, including the giant in oil and the gas field such as CNOOC, etc. Emergency function is always available. The regular emergency time for the lamp is 19 minutes with output for 12 watt. There are also 7 installation ways such as pole mountain, wall mountain, and ceiling mountain to meet the requirement of end user for different mountain. We have also 3 and 4-14 NPT and M25 and 1.5 or M26 and 1.5 options for cable entries. We come to the conclusion, our linear light explosion proof, we call it LN-02P, is a wonderful product. Such as you can see, perfectly is used in hazardous locations such as airport, petroleum, chemical, natural gas, materials, meaning food processing, warehouse, airport, port and gas, and further hazardous zones. Thank you for watching. For any interesting, please just drop us 1 or more inquiries, and also email us. You can find our email in our website. Thank you so much.